Do you fancy yourself a bit of a bohemian artiste? If so, this might just be the drink for you. We're gonna go in with 60 ml of your Pampero Blanco. This is really quite a clean rum, so I like it, quite like a clean and fresh and really zippy cocktail. You can absolutely use something with a little bit more kind of fruit to it, like Plantation 3-Star. Then 15 ml of lime juice, 15 ml of grapefruit. Then we've got 10 ml of your maraschino. This is such a favorite ingredient of mine, almost the same way that cocktail bitters does. I find it just kind of lengthens the finish on drinks as well with that little bit of dryness. And then just a little 5 ml of sugar syrup. Then we're gonna pop our tins together and shake as hard as I can. Now, this is one that is really important to taste because grapefruit varies so much, sort of depending on the season and which one you use. Sometimes it will be really, really sour and sometimes a little bit sweeter. That one's pretty bang on actually. That's a stroke of luck. Then grab a little glass out from the fridge or the freezer. This one's a little added extra, but I just like to do just a little bit of peel over the top, just to kind of get that aromatics and stuff going up to your nose. And then you can just get rid of that and your actual garnish is a little cherry. How refreshing does that look? Hemingway Daiquiri. So now you know.